On this new video, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp reconnecting in less than 50 seconds. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just open the settings on your phone, go to wireless, go to Wi-Fi, and then turn off the Wi-Fi like this and wait a few seconds, then turn it on. Now go back to the settings, click on apps, go to the apps manager page, search for WhatsApp between all the apps, click on it. Now click here on this option, it's called force stop. Now that's it. All what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp. And if you still have the same problem, go to Play Store and then click on search for WhatsApp and update it from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.